Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing this blind bag. Open it. Find 2 fidget toys and have fun with it. Plus 1 extra gem, fake gem. Okay, at the back. Anyway, get something so you can see it. Big fidget toy blind bag out now. Example, normal poppet, needle ball, and big stress balls. Get ready. Okay, we can open it now. Go ahead and open it. Yeah, open it. Opening it. Okay, checklist. Fidget toy. Another fidget toy. You can find the gem. And the gem. Okay. Let's open it, but first we have to check the checklist. Okay, fidget toys. I love drawing. Okay. Okay, green is popular, yellow is fun, and blue is wow. Okay, mini poppet is popular, monkey noodle is fun, wacky track is fun. Fun. Stress ball is fun. Mochi is wow. Bounce Man is fun. Squishy is wow. And Infinity Cube is popular. Okay. There's Squishy. First, let's open the gem. So comments down below. But first, we have to open the gem. Okay, this is a really nice gem. Next, we have a gem collection. I'm gonna get our container. Crack it open. Okay, I have a gem, another gem, a gem, gem. Oh, that's a ring. Wait, I have to put that gem inside first. Put that in. So our new gem. Close it. Okay. Let's open our big one first. And then we can open our other one. Open it up. Oh, we got a squishy. Okay, let's go to our checklist. Okay, good. Got a squishy, so let's tick it. Okay, let's tick it. Okay, squishy. Okay, let's open our next one. This side first. Okay, this part is quite squishy. Okay. Do we get another squishy? I don't know what it is. Comment down below. Then this part is hard. I don't know what it is at all. Let's open it. Okay, we got a bounce man. That doesn't look like anything else. Oh wow, he got hurt real bad. Okay, let's go back to our checklist and check to our bounce man. So you got bounce man and a squishy. Okay, let's take it. Okay, so we just can't end there. By the way, this was a spoof. Okay. Comment down below if you want that, or maybe more of these fidget toy. But we can't just end. We can't just end here. Can't just end here. Just here. So I'm going to put it in my fidget toy collection. Open it. Okay, here is my squishy. Okay, squish it. Okay, let's put it inside now. Let's put our other squishies inside. Okay, now for our other fidget toys. Okay, I already have an infinite cube, so I don't have to worry about it. Let's put our bounce man inside. Right inside. Okay. Anyways, guys, bye. And once again, that was a spoof. Bye.